If you trade meme coins, you need to watch this video. Nobody online are talking about these strategies that you guys need to uphold to be successful in meme coins. Everybody talks about this way of doing it, that way of doing it, but nobody is talking about the psychology that you need to be able to be profitable. It's took me years to come up with all these points, and I'm about to break it down for you within the next 10 minutes so you can start being profitable with meme coin trading. If you don't know who I am, I've made millions from meme coins. I was probably one of the first person in the meme coin industry to make 7 figures from one meme coin. Link is in my description. Check my Twitter for proof of this. Even this month alone, not sure if you can see it here with the camera, I have made over $250,000 just in June. Not sure if you can see it or not, but oh well. So, guys, take a pen, take a paper, and make sure that you are taking notes, because this one will change your trading life. And even if it's not meme coin trading, forex trading, crypto trading, any sort of trading, it takes discipline. There's certain things you need to understand how the mind works. Because remember, guys, trading goes against our core principles, and that's not to lose. Nobody likes to lose anything. It's like when you split with your ex. It's the loss that you can't get over. Even if you're in a toxic relationship, you want to get them back just to make you feel okay. But realistically, you don't want to be in that relationship. You just don't want to lose the person. Anyway, let's dive straight into it. Right. So we're going to go for all these points. And before I even talk about this is where I am now. Right. But there's going to be some bullet points, even where I don't even need to even think about. Some things are just second nature. And I'll go through that with you as well. First of all, guys, do not invest more than you can afford to lose. All right? Make sure that you have your pot and you say, this is what I'm putting into trading. And you stick to every single one of these rules, right, guys? So, a couple of other things will come to me. That's not on this list, more for beginners, but we'll come to that in a bit. Guys, as soon as I learned this one lesson, everything changed for me. Revenge trading. Guys, how many times, if you're in crypto or you're in trading, you will know that when you lose a couple of trades, it goes downhill rapidly. That's because you are revenge trading. And that's because, like I says, losing is against our human nature. That nobody wants to lose. So we are revenge trading so we cannot feel that loss again until we blow our port trying to get the trade back. Even if, all your strategies go out the window when you're revenge trading, because you're just hoping for that one trade to stop you from feeling that loss. So never revenge trade. Don't matter how big of an opportunity you think one coin is, never full port. Unless I can do it sometimes. If I know I've got money coming in the next few days, so for instance now, like, I get paid my other business and I've got, I don't know, 50K and 100K in my trading pot, right? And I'm worth X amount, but I've got 100K in this pot, and Donald Trump released a meme coin. I'm going to full port that. Because I know, okay, you know what? That 100K can make me 10 million because it's such a big opportunity, right? But those ones do not come every single day. That's once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, this is another psychological hack. And this is quite deep in spirituality and the law of the universe. Don't ever chase. Always attract. Now you're thinking, how can I attract a trade? Very simple. And there's a very good book. You guys want to read this. It's a very good book. It's called Trading in the Zone. Really recommended you guys to read that book. So, how do you not chase a trade? Very simple. Every day, could be every week, there will be some trades that are no-brainers. That's where you can put a little bit more than you usually. Stop investing to BS projects that you may be jumping in because you see a bit of volume, a bit of FOMO, you're gambling, you're impatient. Wait for those no-brainer opportunities. And we all know that no-brainer opportunity because that's when we all win. When it's like, no-brainer. Then you enter. Stop entering just average trades. Enter the no-brainers, what hits on what is part of your strategy, and do not move away from your strategy. Okay, so focus on being a trader, not just the money. Do you get it? Now you might be thinking, that's crazy. How can I not focus on making money because I'm doing this to make money? No, guys, at the start you are not doing it to make money. You're doing this to learn. Okay, every day you want to get up, you want to trade, you want to learn. Even deeper than this, if you're a beginner, you make sure you don't even put a penny into the charts. It could be meme coins, it could be leverage. Watch pattern recognition. Make sure that you're taking notes. See how the chart moves. Paper trade. I would get in this. Oh, I lost. Journal. This is not on there because it's second nature to me. Make sure you're journaling. Make sure you're not even taking any actual trades. And then when you feel comfortable after a week or two, then take little trades. Little. Not even, I say to people now, 1 to 3% of your portfolio should be in a trade. But when you're just starting, less than that. Because you're just putting a bit of money on the table and you're getting used to that kind of loss. You know, you need to get your emotional state into flow state. It's what they talk about in this book as well. That's exactly some trading the zone up. It's about getting the flow state. Not being attached to the trade. Not attaching. Just learning. And the better you are, the better you get, the more money you're going to make. So it's hand in hand. So don't focus on making money. Focus on being a better trader, and then you're going to make more money. Simple. Okay. This is more if you're doing meme coins, right? Buy dips, guys. Wait till you see a dip. If you see a good project that you like, if it green candles up and you miss the trade, guys, this is what you need to understand. There's always opportunities in meme coins. You don't need to be just jumping into volume, FOMOing, chasing. Let the trade come to you. If you see the green candle goes up and you like this particular meme coin, wait till it goes back down. And I'll show you more technical strategies on that in one of my videos. And I'm showing you the charts. But basically what you want to do, you want to make it come back to the previous highs. Okay? And that's your support line. Okay? So be patient. Wait till it comes back to you. Have discipline. Discipline is sticking to your strategy, sticking to your theses, sticking to your plan, your edge. Everyone should find your edge. Your edge is all this. People talk about having an edge in trading. The edge is your strategy. That is the edge. Stick to it. Okay? Don't gamble. And this is why I'm making this video, because so much people, you come to meme coins and you're just gambling. That's why people like me are making money, and I'm making nothing compared to Cupsy and all these big OGs that are making 2-3 million a month. Because they're making of you guys, because you don't even understand what you're doing. You're not taking this seriously. You're just gambling. So stop gambling. Okay? Don't ape into volume. Every time I do that, I get wrecked. If it's volume, when I know the narrative and it's a strong narrative, we're good. But it's volume because I just see this chart goes up. It's called a volume trap. You will get hurt. All right? These are just a personal notes for me, to be fair. This is actually my personal board. You actually see my personal stuff. This is much to me. Like at the moment now, right now, I'm sticking away from migrations because there's not crazy volume in the market where migrating tokens are going crazy up. So, about 10 pairs a day you could get yourself a 10x, a 5x, a 2x, a 3x from migration. On a high volume day, month, weeks, you can get 100. Right now, we're not in that stage yet. So it's best, my risk to my reward is just doing new pairs. That's my personal strategy right now. This can change when the market changes. Okay? If you don't understand these little granular things, watch the rest of my YouTube video, you'll understand. Okay? Spoke about don't FOMO, never FOMO into a trade. Simple. Don't need to go more than that. Only buy what I understand. So many times I bought a pair because Cupsy bought, or someone else bought, this bought, and I'm like, I don't understand it, but everybody else is buying it, and I get wrecked. Or there's a little dip on a sell because I don't understand it, and it goes parabolic. But if I understood it and I understood the thesis, I would have maybe even doubled down, double dipped, lower my cost of entry and hold it. But no, I don't understand it. So why can I hold something I don't understand? Make sure you understand the project before you invest. Okay, so only buy what you understand. I spoke about this earlier, guys. When you're trading, this is what in the zone means. Don't get attached to the trade. Carefree. Think of the long term. So much people that are coming in, they want to make millions out of memecoins, out of crypto within a week and a month or a year. Yes, is it possible? Hell yeah. The first 6 months of me trading memecoins, I made my first million. Yes, it is possible. Okay, but you need to make sure you stay in the game so you can hit those big ones. Stay in the game means sticking to a strategy. Okay, having risk management and not caring about the trade. All right, these are just personal little rules, right? If I lose, it all depends on your port, guys. So like I said, my port, so my trading port, my actual Axiom, I try not to put more than 10, 20 Solana at a time because I am at heart a freaking gambler at heart. So I know if I got 100, the more I got in my trading port, the more I'll ape in. That's just how I am. If you has more better discipline than me, I've got discipline for trading because I'm learning it's hard. I have to force on this. It's not second nature. I know loads of people that are my brother's so disciplined. He will never overspend. That's his nature. I do. I risk. So personally, I don't want to keep more than 10 Solana a day in my port. So in my mind, I'm saying if I lose 20% of my port that day, that'd be 2.5 Solana, I'm out. Because the chances are you're going to lose all of that because you're going to be revenge trading. So as soon as I lose 25% of my port, I'm out. But here's a caveat to that. You're not out, I'm going to have a day off. I'm going to chill. No, you watch new pairs. You study, you learn, you sit on your hands, and then you just go to school, educate yourself. All right? So that is one of my main rules. So guys, I hope this helps you. Believe me, this is all you need for a mental strategy with memecoin trading. 90% is mental. 10% is actually physical trading. So if you guys want access to the Discord where we trade together, we have all the tools, links in the description. Use my link for Axiom. That's where you can actually trade meme coins. If you want one-to-one or even a group coaching that we do, the link in the bio. There's applications. It's application only. If I feel like a good fit, I will reach out to you. Till next time. Peace.